Welcome to this sheet metal tutorial guys. In this tutorial we will be learning how to model this part in SOLIDWORKS, and this is its flattened version. So let's begin. Select part and click OK as we are working in the part file. From here change the background to plain white and make sure that you are working in the right units. I am selecting mmgs, which is millimeters. Select top plane and click on sketch. Then select a line, make here a vertical straight and a horizontal straight line. Now let's define the sketch. Select Smart Dimensioning tool. Here we need to specify the length of this line as 30 and here specify the length of this vertical line as 22.5. After that we need to enable the sheet metal tab from here. When we select this tab, here it would be enabled. This is the base flange tab. We need to select this. Here we need to specify that these parameters are 2 millimeters, and then we need to enable this direction 1 window and here specify the mid plane. Let me explain you what is the purpose of this mid plane. Here you can see this is black color is our sketch. When we select blind, the material is basically on one side, and when we select the mid plane, the material would be enabled on both sides. And here specify 80 millimeter for the depth of extrusion and check this box from here. Now let's specify some appearance. This is optional. In corners we have this break corner. When we select it, here these are two basically types. We need to specify a 5 millimeter as parameter for this break corner and select here these two corners and check this box from here. And now select this face and click on sketch. For reference, I am making a center line from this point to here any point. Make sure that this is straight, and then here select the center rectangle and make a center rectangle up to this line, this one. Now let's define it. For that we need to select this Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the length of this line. I'm specifying as 25 millimeter, and from this line to this line here specify 15 millimeter as length. Okay, now go to features and here select extruded cut and select here blind, and in this direction we want the depth of extrusion as 15 millimeter, so it will cut 15 millimeter like this. And now again select this face and click on sketch. From here select the corner rectangle this time. When we select this corner rectangle, make a corner rectangle like this. And now select Smart Dimensioning tool. From this line to this line, here specify the distance as 1, and similarly on the other side from this line to this line 1 millimeter. And we are only left with the height of this rectangle, which is 21 for now, but we have to edit it. We will see. Select here base flange and just click OK. We do not have to specify any parameter. Now select here break corner, and this time I'm selecting this second type. It would be like a fillet. When we select this corners and 5 mm fillet is applied, and here again select this break corner and select these internal edges, this time 1 and 2, and here specify the radius as 6 millimeter and check this box from here, and these fillets will be applied. And now let's unfold it. So select unfold. In this window we need to select this face, and in this window only we need to select this option, collect all bends. Automatically it will compute and check this box from here. And here we see clearly a problem. This is overlapping. So in this tab 1, select edit sketch, and here we need to specify as 19 millimeter, exit the sketch, and still it is very much closer. So right click here and edit sketch again, and here make it somewhat shorter. I'm making it as 18 and exit the sketch, and now it's pretty much fine. Now select this face and click on sketch. For reference, I am making a center line, so make here a straight center line for reference. I will use it for mirror entities. Now select a line, make here a horizontal and inclined line, and now let's specify the parameters. The length of this line is 4 millimeter, and from this line to this line the distance is 1.5, and the angle between these two lines is 42 degree. And now as you can see, the sketch is fully defined. Select here a line and make here a line from this point to this point. Still our sketch is fully defined. And select a fillet. It will not work until we define here some parameter. 1.5 mm radius is fine, and check the box from here. And now let's mirror entities. So select here mirror entities. In this window we need to select the entities we want to mirror, so I'm selecting these 4 parameters. And mirror about, we need to select this center line which I made earlier for the reference, and here you can see this is a complete sketch. And since I want to mirror the same thing on the other side, so I will make another center line for reference. It will be at this midpoint, and select this mirror entities again. In this window, entities to mirror window, I need to select this entire sketch, and in this mirror about window I will select this center line, and the whole sketch will be mirrored here, as you can see it from here. Check this box from here, and now since I want to cut it, so I will go to features and I will select extruded cut, and here I want through all because I want to cut it through. Check this box from here, and here you can see the cut has been made. As we are done working in it unfolded version, so select fold and check this box from here. This is the previous version, folded version. Now select this face and click on sketch. We are going to make few holes, cut few holes. Specify the diameter as 8 millimeter, and now from center to this line specify the distance as 15, and from center point to the other line, here I'm specifying the distance as 10, and I want to mirror the same hole on the other side. I do not want to define everything, so I will simply mirror this circle on the other side, mirror about this reference line which is created at the midpoint. Now go to features and select extruded cut. Since I want through holes, so I will specify here through all and check this box from here. Holes are created, and now I want 3 more holes to be created in this phase, so I want to make some center lines for reference. Just make here a straight center line, and make another center line from this point to this point, and now I will trim the extra portion. I have done it because I want a circle at this yellow dot which is at the mid of this face. So that's how we basically use these center lines to create reference points. Now make here another hole. The diameter is the same, 8 millimeter, and we need to specify the distance from two sides to fully define it. This is the second side. Here specify the distance, and since I want to mirror it, so I will use this reference which is at the center, and here check this box from here, select extruded cut, and let's see how it works. And here, as you can see, this is a problem. So right click here and go to edit features, and here select up to surface and select this back surface, then check this box from here. So the problem has been solved. So that's all for this video of how we create this part of sheet metal in SolidWorks, and this is its flattened version, guys. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.